Hello everyone, welcome to Stoic Wisdom today. Let me ask you this. What if the strongest way to defeat your enemy is not to fight at all? We live in a world that teaches us to strike back, to clap back, to always win the argument. But the Stoics, they taught something radically different, that true victory comes through inner calm, not outer conflict. Today we'll explore 6 powerful Stoic strategies to defeat your enemies, not with fists or words, but with presence, integrity, and unshakable peace. These are not tricks. These are time-tested ways to protect your energy, guard your mind, and walk through fire without burning. If you're ready to win without fighting, you're in the right place. Let's begin. Strategy number 1. Refuse to react. Every insult, every attack, every cruel word, it's bait. And if you bite, they win. Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react that matters." When someone pushes your buttons, take a breath. Say to yourself, "This is anger, this is fear." Label the emotion, then let it go. No rant, no reply, no emotional spiral, just calm. Because when you stay still while they explode, they lose power. Their fire can't survive your silence. This isn't weakness, it's control. It's choosing peace over ego. It's training your nervous system to obey your wisdom. The more you master this, the more untouchable you become. So next time someone tries to get a rise out of you, don't rise. Stay grounded. Because silence isn't surrender, it's strength. Strategy number 2. Respond with kindness. This one sounds crazy until you try it. When someone comes at you with hatred, answer with kindness. Why? Because hatred feeds on more hatred. But kindness starves it. Seneca said, "A kind gesture can heal a wound no medicine can touch." Praise their strengths, offer help they didn't ask for. Not sarcastically, sincerely. It flips their story. Suddenly they're not fighting a villain, they're facing a mirror. And that mirror shows them something they can't unsee. Their own cruelty, their own insecurity. You're not playing their game, you're changing it. This is not about approval, it's about owning your energy. Let your kindness be louder than their noise. Because the truth is, kindness isn't soft, it's strategic. Strategy number 3. Build a reputation they can't touch. You want to destroy gossip? Here's how. Be so consistent, so reliable, so honorable that no one believes the lies. Marcus Aurelius said, "Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one." When you live with integrity, when your actions match your words, you build a wall no rumor can climb. Show up. Do what you say you'll do. Celebrate other people. That's your shield, that's your strength. You don't have to defend your name if your life already does. Your enemy may try to slander you, but slander doesn't stick to solid stone. Let your discipline speak. Let your actions echo louder than any whisper. In the end, your character is the courtroom, and the verdict is always in your favor. Strategy number 4. Control the narrative. Don't let others tell your story. You tell it, first, loud and clearly. The Stoics understood this. Perception is power. Speak your truth in meetings, on social media, in simple conversations. Talk about your values, your work ethic, what you stand for. If lies pop up, respond with facts, not fire. Keep your tone steady. Let the truth do the lifting. By owning the narrative, you stop the smear campaign before it starts. You don't have to manipulate. You don't have to over-explain. You just have to be visible, be real, and stay calm. When people already know who you are, no enemy can rewrite that. Because at the end of the day, you're not just living a story, you're leading one. Strategy number 5. Outwork and outlast. Sometimes the best revenge is massive, undeniable success. While your enemy is busy gossiping, you're busy growing. While they stall in anger, you sprint in purpose. Seneca said it best. Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. So prepare. Every single day, sharpen your skills, focus on results, help others, crush your goals. Let your life become the loudest response. You don't have to argue. You don't need revenge. You just need relentless progress. Because eventually, they can't deny what you've built. Let them talk. Let them watch. You work, you rise, you win. Strategy number 6. Armor your mind. Here's the truth. The real battlefield is inside your head. If you protect that space, no one can touch you. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." So every morning, visualize a fortress around your thoughts. Nothing gets in unless you let it. Every evening, journal your struggles. Track where you almost lost your cool. Plan how to respond better next time. And repeat the mantras. This too shall pass. I control my breath. Amor fati. I love my fate. This is daily training. Not for the body, for the mind. And the more you do it, the stronger you get. Because a calm mind is the ultimate defense. Conclusion. Win without war. So here they are, your 6 Stoic strategies for silent victory. 1. Refuse to react. 2. Respond with kindness. 3. Build unshakable character. 4. Own your narrative. 5. Outwork and outlast. 6. Armor your mind. These aren't just ideas, they're weapons. And the best part, you don't need to fight to win. In a noisy world full of drama, these principles make you untouchable. They bring peace to chaos, clarity to confusion, and strength to your soul. Thank you for watching Stoic Wisdom today. If this message spoke to you, give it a like, drop a comment on which strategy you'll try first, and don't forget to subscribe for more timeless Stoic power made for the modern world. Until next time, stay calm, stay grounded, and stay stoic.